Okay, now let's look at the last one, which is going to be graphical or graphic operating procedure format. Okay, so this is an example of graphic operating procedure format. If you guys can remember, okay, if you guys still remember, for graphic operating procedure format, you use it when you have many steps in which you guys can divide the steps into several stages. Okay, so for example, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stages. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to write the name of the stages. So for example, here we have before alignment, equipment preparation, during alignment, after alignment. So you guys can use arrows as well as rectangular to write the name of the stages. Okay, so make sure, let's say for example, you have 4 stages, the number of arrows, that you need to have are 3 only, not 4, 3. So the last one, make sure you are not using another arrow. Okay, because if you do that, that would mean that it is not the end yet for your process. So make sure the last one you should use rectangular here. Okay, and then under each stages you would have the steps, or sometimes we can also call it as sub steps to the stages here. Okay, but not to confuse, we can just call it steps under each stages. Okay, so for example, before alignment, the steps are: number 1, assure lab is secured. Number 2, mark the laboratory store with the notice sign. That's it. Okay, and then the second stage, equipment preparation. Number 1, name the equipment needed. Number 2, locate the equipment. Number 3, ensure all equipment is in good condition. That's it. Okay, all right. Um, so if you look at here, okay, you guys can also use images, but it's not really compulsory actually. Okay, you guys can use images for graphic operating procedure format if you need to explain further on the step. Okay, for example, mark the laboratory store with the notice sign. So we have an image here, which is actually the notice sign. Okay, so this is the notice sign, okay, that you would put at the laboratory store actually. Okay, so you guys can use images, illustration for your graphic operating procedure format. Okay, so you guys can use this format when you are asked to write graphic operating procedure format. Okay, very simple.